Now, for those of you that don't already have a dropshipping store up and running and you want to be able to get one built really quick and you also want it to be loaded with winning products, there's this completely free AI store builder that you're going to be able to use. I'm going to leave it linked down below. Once you click that link, just click on build my free store. From here, it's now going to ask you to pick a niche. So whatever you want your store to be centered around, whatever type of products that you plan on selling, just select it over here. Whether you want to sell fashion products, pet related products, electronic and gadgets, home and garden, sport and fitness, is completely up to you. Now bear in mind that the store is going to be loaded with the products that relate to the niche. So if you don't really want to think about what product you want to sell, it's going to be automatically loaded with proven winning products. But for the purpose of today's video, I'm just going to click on home and garden, and the following steps are fairly straightforward. Again, it's not going to take any more than 2 minutes for you to complete. And once you've done that, it's now going to take you to your Shopify store. So as you can see, this is the store that's been built. These are all of the different winning products that's also been loaded to the store as well. All of the pages have been added: about us, FAQs, contact us, shipping policy, so on and so forth. You know, everything has been optimized and everything has been built ready for you to start selling. And of course, if you wanted to manage your store, you're going to be able to do all of that from the back end of your Shopify account. But sticking to the main topic of this video, which is email marketing and the most important things that you need to know when it comes to using emails to make money 24/7. So once you've got your store built just like this, the next thing that you're going to do for you to get pop-ups on your website, similar to what I showed you earlier, is by installing an app on the back end of your Shopify store called Omnisend. Now, Omnisend, in my opinion, is one of the best email marketing softwares that you can use when it comes to building up a Shopify store. Whether you want to do drop shipping or if you just want to sell, generally speaking, I would recommend checking out Omnisend. And this is for so many different reasons, and I'm going to show you exactly what you need to know step by step in a moment when it comes to using it. But one of the first reasons why I recommend it is because it's really efficient. I personally use it myself. Second to that, as you can see over here, if you click the link in my description down below, it's going to take you to this sign up page where you're going to be able to create your Omnisend account for completely free. So if you followed along with everything that I've shown you so far, all you're going to need to do from this point, when it comes to setting up your email pop-up so that you can start collecting emails, is to click on start free just like this. Once you get to this page, you're now going to need to click on sign up with Shopify, then come over here to install. And once you've done all of that, it should now take you to the back end of your Omnisend account. And it's going to be within here that you're going to do most of the things when it comes to your email marketing. So I would recommend initially making sure that your store has been connected. If you follow the steps that I showed you, it would already be connected, and you're going to see that right there. So now my Omnisend account is connected to my newly built Shopify dropshipping store. From here, if I wanted to create the pop-up, what I'm going to do is come over to forms and then click on preview and launch form. And essentially, I'm going to be able to design the pop-up in any way that I want. So this is really powerful because it's going to allow me to collect all of the emails or the emails that people insert into this box that land on my website. And the reason why this is powerful is because not every single person that you send to your website is going to buy straight away. So one trick that I found when running all of the different e-com stores that I've set up over the years is to put a simple pop-up like this on my homepage so that I'm able to collect the email addresses for the visitors. And this allows me to send out deals and offers to these people far into the future and turning them into customers down the line. So it's something that I'd recommend that you do ASAP, otherwise you're going to be leaving money on the table. So making a pop-up isn't really difficult to do. You know, Omnisend allow you to design it in whatever way that you want. If you want to change the text, you're going to be able to do that. If you want to offer 5% or 15%, you're going to be able to do whatever you want. So for the most part, I'm just going to leave it how it is. But if you did want to change anything, you're just going to come over to form settings, and this is where you're going to be able to change how you want it to be. If you want the color to be a certain color, if you want to change the size of the box, you're going to be able to do everything from over here. But once you've decided on how you want your pop-up to look, how you want it to appear, you know, the different things that you want it to do, all you're going to do is click on enable form. Okay, perfect. So that's now been enabled. You should see it under your form section. So if I just go back over to the site that I built, what I'm going to do is just scroll through like a normal customer would. and then I'm just going to quickly refresh the page. And right there, as you can see, this is the pop-up that's going to appear on your dropshipping store once you've connected your Shopify store to your Omnisend account. So it's really easy to do, very straightforward. So when the customer does land on your dropshipping site, if they don't want to buy straight away, but they still want to be able to get a 10% discount and they want to give you their email address to be notified about that discount, they're just going to enter their email address. I'm just going to type in example@gmail.com and then click on get 10% off. Okay, so I've just inserted the email address and that's gone through. If I just go back over to my Omnisend account and refresh the page, straight away Omnisend has been able to let me know that one person has seen the pop-up and one person has given me their email address, which is obviously myself. And I'm going to be able to view that email address by clicking into it just like this. And right here, as you can see, I've got one contact or one subscriber in my Omnisend account, and it's obviously the email that I put in. So far, I'm sure that you get the point of how powerful this can be, because imagine if you're sending 100 people, 1,000 people to your site every single day through things like TikTok organic, running TikTok ads, even Google Shopping. Building up an email list like this in itself is going to be an asset that's going to be able to benefit you in the future, and just generally having these different email addresses, you're going to be able to market various different products to them, which is going to allow you to make money whenever you want. So not only are you going to be able to collect the email addresses using Omnisend, but you're also going to be able to set up campaigns as well. Because if I just come over here to campaigns, this is where you're going to be able to create the emails that you're going to send out to your email list. So basically everything can be done within your Omnisend account. If I just click on create email campaign, there's all of these different templates that you're going to be able to choose from that are easily customizable. So if I wanted to send out, let's say, a Black Friday email to my email list, I could just click on preview template, see exactly how it looks. This is what the potential customer is going to receive. If I just click on choose template, just like before with the pop-up, everything is easily changeable. If I want to customize anything, if I want to, put an image of my own product in this box over here, I'm going to be able to easily do it. So to give you a quick recap as to how this side hustle works and everything that goes into it so that everyone's on the same page and there isn't confusion, I'm just going to use this as a visual representation. So as I said initially, what you're going to do is build a dropshipping store using that AI bot. From there, your store is going to be connected to Shopify, which is one of the best platforms out there when it comes to building up an e-commerce business. Once you've got your store up and running with Shopify, with the help of the AI store builder, you're going to use various different methods when it comes to getting potential customers onto your site. Platforms like Instagram, Google Shopping, TikTok, Facebook. You can also use Pinterest, Twitter, whatever you want to use when it comes to getting people to be aware of your dropshipping store. You're going to use it, and from that point, you're now going to be able to build up a list of different email addresses. As we've already discussed, Omnisend is going to help you when it comes to building up your email subscriber base. And the reason why you want to do this ASAP is because when it comes to owning an email list, it's something that you're going to own forever. No one can take it away from you. I've got email list from dropshipping stores that I built 6 years ago that I'm still able to send emails to now and generate $1,000 in a day if I wanted to. So Omnisend is what you're going to use when it comes to collecting all of your visitors' emails. From there, you're going to be able to start sending out emails and hopefully start generating revenues. Once you started generating money, you're going to be able to now take that money and automate all of your orders using something like AutoDS. And by using something like AutoDS, they're going to automatically send those orders directly to your supplier. So with the side hustle, you're not going to have to sit there and order every single product one by one. You're going to be able to automate the process with something like AutoDS. From that point, your supplier is now going to ship the product directly to your customer. And as long as you've made sure to use the best supplier, you've made sure to sell quality items, and you've also made sure to always update your customer throughout the entire process, you're now going to be in a position where you can remarket and send new emails to your customers, of course, using the help of Omnisend. So those are the basics that goes into this particular side hustle. I believe it to be one of the best side hustles to start over the next year, and email marketing is a crucial part of it. So if you did want to sign up for a free account with Omnisend. I'm going to leave them linked in the description down below. Now, if you've enjoyed this video so far and you've gotten any sort of value from it, press the like button. I really appreciate that. Don't forget to subscribe as well and hit the bell notification so that YouTube can let you know when a new video has been released. And if you want to get a little bit more information as to how you can set this side hustle up step by step, click by click, I've got a completely free course that I'm going to leave linked in the description down below. In this free course, I'm going to be able to spend a little bit more time showing you the fine details of what goes into doing this. So make sure that you check it out. Free course in the description. And if you also want to watch another YouTube video that I made not too long ago where I break down some of the best side hustles that I believe will be perfect over the next year, you're going to be able to watch that video by clicking the link over there. Check that out straight after this because that video has already helped out so many people and I'm sure that it's going to help you out too. But other than that, guys, I'll catch you on that next video. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.